Okay, let's do this. First is Pratham. Pratham Agarwal. You have 60 seconds to go. Thank you.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are. You can start.
I am Pratham Agarwal. The problem I want to solve is unemployment slash poverty. And in the
Pratham, your voice is not clear at all.
one second. Hello,
Yeah,
hello.
it's good now.
Yeah. Hi, I am Pratham Agarwal. The problem I want to solve is sorry, there's a phone call here. The problem I want to solve is unemployment slash poverty in the uneducated sector of India. My solution is Bogi, a place where all the thelawalas are pulled in one hub and are provided to the shopkeepers the access to it to call them whenever they want to transport their goods from their shop to the transportation office. Because because as we see that every shopkeeper, every local shopkeeper has a fixed thelawala, but because of that, there are many thelawalas who are not able to earn a minimum amount of revenue to even feed their families. So what we are doing is we are getting all the thelawalas in a hub in our organization, and then we are providing the shopkeepers our access in cheaper rates and a good amount of salary to the employees or the thelawalas, where they can even earn, and also they can even provide the services exactly the same as they're doing it now. Thank you. Let's talk the weekend. Am I done?
Yeah, you are done. Time's up. It's good.
Actually, there was a phone call coming again, so I got nervous a little. I hope I can pitch the idea more elaborately later.
So, sure.
Thank you.
Uh, Pratham, one more
Yes,
minute. Can you put your business idea's name? What is the name of the idea?
Bogie. For now, it's Bogie, but I'll change it later.
So you can, after you are done pitching, you can also type Pratham Bogi and a couple of words description of your idea in chat.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, please do that. Thank you. Thank you. Next, we are gonna go. Yeah. Mrunal Parikh. Mrunal, you are live. You can go.
And remember, the problem I want to solve is for SMEs and startups.
Your voice is not clear, Mrunal.
Hello, is it clear now?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, so I am Bruna. The problem I want to solve is for SMEs and startups who are not able to register in B2B platforms, global sourcing platform that is, and due to which they are costly just because of that they don't register. So, the solution which I am thinking is affordable solution where they can register, get premium features, just like Alibaba platform. But this will be made only for Indian people to market their products internationally as well as domestically. They are not selling platforms; they can just get leads and requirements for their businesses to grow. Yes, this business platform is suitable for manufacturers and the service industry. And the team which I would need is IT people, sales people, designers, and marketers. So let's run this. Thank you.
Okay, great. So that's up the time. You can actually go back to the main room. I'll withdraw your mic, write your name, your business idea's name, and 2 to 3 lines about your idea. Okay, in the chat. Okay, Mrunal? Thank you. And next we have is Harsha L. Nalwar.
Yeah, so my name is Harsha. My name is Harsha
Your voice is
Nalwar.
not clear. Just a
Problem
second.
I want to solve is fun.
It's good now.
Yeah, so the problem I want to solve is that I want to connect social media users, hashtag influencers, to brands. Influencers are people who get paid money for posts they put in their social media user account page for brands. If I gonna post a picture of me holding McDonald's and I post it, I get paid a certain amount of money. So that's basically an influencer. So I want to connect influencers and brands. Second of all, I want to make every social media user an influencer, because we all want to be influencers. We all want to show our so that we can also influence brands. So basically, what happens is that if you go through my product or my the problem, I'm solving it by using like Post-it. It's called, the app is called Post-it. So what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to create an app which organizes which which kind of creates a platform where they both the brands and the influencers can meet, and where we can all become influencers. So for every
Time's
post or
up.
story I share, we'll get paid money. For
Harsha,
thousand,
time's up.
yeah, for
Thank
thousand
you.
for yeah,
Thank you. I have to stop you in here.
yeah. But just one more second. If you have 1,000 followers, you get paid 100 rupees. If you have 100 followers, you get paid 10 rupees. So that's how it works. Yeah.
Thank you
So
so much, Harsha. Thank you so much. Sorry. Thank you. Sahil Jha, we have next.
Hello.
Yeah. Sahil, you are connecting. Okay. Sahil not able to connect. Sahil, you can raise hand again. I can give you access. We can start with Abhishek as of now. Yes, Abhishek, you're live.
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Abhishek?
Yeah, am I audible?
Abhishek, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. I would have to withdraw you. Yeah.
Yes. So, hi everyone. My name is Abhishek Shah, and I just wanted to present this idea to you. We've all been in this situation wherein we've faced some sort of indecisiveness, right? In purchasing gifts for our loved ones. So here, in uh, my solution is called Housecar. And Housecar basically aims to solve a fundamental human problem: indecisiveness. It aims to bring curated, sustainable gifts and experiences, which should be exactly according to the taste of the recipient. So, for example, if the user that is purchasing a gift for the recipient will fill out a simple questionnaire, and according to that questionnaire, uh, a couple of gifts will be recommended, and user can either choose to go ahead with the gift that is recommended, or he or she can still browse other gifts. This is the basic idea of the entire thing.
Thank you so much, Abhishek. Just put your name, idea name in the chat. That would be good. Thank you. Rachit Sharma next.
Hello. I'm audible.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah. My name is Rachit, and the problem we are going to solve is to display art and craft project made by school student. What happened to that project they made? Hello. What happened to the project they made? They get deliberated. They get chased. So we are going giving that platform to show that project on their web web page or the website we are providing them virtual platform, and help them to earn reward in exchange of sale. If the project someone want to buy that product, like they made the art or the paintings, anything else, like Rakhi competition, they made Rakhis, we can sell it on the platform, and it will be a e-commerce for the students. I'm looking good looking team for the product designer and marketing designers for this product.
Okay. Thank you so much, Rachit. It's an e-commerce for students, right?
Yeah, yes.
Thank you. Vishal Wagmare. Yes, Vishal.
हेलो हेलो
Vishal, you are on the stage now.
सर आवाज आ रही है हेलो
Good to go. Thank you.
हेलो माई सेल्फ विशाल वाघमारे एक्चुअली मेरा आइडिया है कि लिकर के बारे में क्योंकि लिकर होम डिलीवरी के बारे में है क्योंकि मैं बचपन से देखते आ रहा हूँ कि बहुत सारे जो लिकर जो पीते हैं उन्हें मतलब कि कभी भी देखा गया है कि वो जो ज्यादा पीते हैं वो हमारा जो रोड रहेगा नहीं तो वो जहाँ पर सोसाइटी रहते हैं वहां पर कहाँ पर भी गिरे रहते हैं और मेरा प्लान ऐसा है कि जो लिकर लेके आते हैं क्योंकि बिकॉज बहुत सारे जो लिकर पीने वाले हैं मैंने जो सर्वे किया मैंने जो गूगल पे देखा है वहां पर मोस्टली लोग पिछले 3 साल में हर साल 1.5 लाख से ज्यादा लोग एक्सीडेंट में मारे जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ ड्राइविंग क्योंकि ड्राइव करके जाते हैं वो उसकी वजह से और मेरा प्लान ये है कि हम उन्हें लिकर होम डिलीवरी कर सकते हैं ऐसा प्लान
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. अपना आइडिया और बिजनेस नाम अपना नाम वो लिख देना डिस्क्रिप्शन चैट में. Thank you so much.
ओके
Next is Rama Raman.
Hello.
Yes.
Well,
Yeah, you are.
yeah. Okay. I'm Rama Raman. The problem I want to solve is basically monotonous and boring fantasy-based games right now. Like fantasy-based games are basically
Sorry, go again, please, Rama.
I'm Rama Raman. The problem I want to solve is monotonous and boring fantasy-based games. Like in fantasy-based games, the sports are going on, and you take players, and then you get corresponding points to it, and betting goes on like that, right? Like sometimes you wonder that you can also select players using auctions. You can auction out players like they do in IPL. Sometimes you get really frustrated. What is my team doing? Why aren't they buying good players? So you can do that. You can take out your frustration. It's an interesting way to play that game, and it ensures many different type of things. The duplication of players won't be there if you perform auctions, and like you and your opponent can't have the same player. You can't buy the same players in the auction, right? And a lot of many different things can happen. You can play for the whole tournament, and you can also play for that same match as well. And I think the marketplace in India is really very big for this. It's extremely famous in India. Like people in India mostly like sports and betting both. It's sort of a combination of both, and it can really go a long way if we
Thank
can
you.
good with it.
Thank you so much.
And,
Rama.
yeah,
Thank
thank
you. And next we have is Ansu Prasad. Ansu Prasad, just waiting to join. Yeah. Okay, not able to. You can again request for the raise hand in the mic. Ansu. We have Akash Kumar Yadav.
Am I live?
Ajish, you will actually receive a whole document of who pitched what just after the pitch finishes. Don't worry.
Am I live, guys?
Yeah, you are now audible.
Yes. Hi, people. I am Akash Kumar and I'm single. This is exactly what my idea is based on. I want to solve this problem. I like to call it bichole. So we know, I mean, Ed Sheeran says club isn't the best place to find love, so the bar is where I go. This is where our target audience is. Every single person goes to club and wants to meet person of other gender or the same. So जो भी कहता है कि यार मैं सिर्फ पीने जाता हूँ, he definitely lies. I mean, he's just hesitant to ask other people out. So it is an app-based service wherein once you enter any club or party, there you have the access to all the people in there, and you can ask them out by offering drinks or anything. We will be taking commissions on it, and I love to call it Bichole for now, but we can change the name. And at the end, I would like to conclude by saying Ed Sheeran would make a song on it that Tinder isn't the best place to find love, so Bichole is where I go. Thank you, everyone. Well,
Thank
I
you.
just wanted to tell people that I'm looking for a UI UX designer and coders for this
Thank you so
project.
much. Thank you so much. Hardik Mehta.
Hello.
Here, Hardik.
Yeah. So hey everyone, I'm Hardik Mehta. My idea's name is Finding Baba Ka Dhaba. Since restaurant industry has hit hard in this time,
Hardik, your voice is cracking. Can you go again, please?
is it clear now?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, perfect. Hello everyone, I'm Hardik Mehta. My idea's name is Finding Baba Ka Dhaba. Since restaurant industries has hit hard in this time, but as usual, the poor suffered the most. We all have seen the video of Baba Ka Dhaba and definitely felt sorry about it. My solution is finding such Baba Ka Dhabas and helping them. It would be basically an NPO, but it would be like what my solution would be to find all such Baba Ka Dhaba and get them to a platform and make a hell of a food court. So the stories of these people need to be told and definitely need to be heard. And I know it's definitely a long fight, but even Rome wasn't built in a day. So that's basically my idea, to find more such Baba Ka Dhaba. And to do this, you'll be needing a lot of market researchers as well as some investors. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Hardik. Thank you. Aryan Srivastava.
Sir, I am audible.
Yeah, you are.
So, hello everyone. I'm Aryan Srivastava and I'm 15. The problem I want to solve is the easy access of public places in these COVID times. So, my problem solution, my problem idea is the safe spot. So, in this, we will build an app which uh, collects data from users through an app and collects and create a heat map of a particular place from which the user can see the which place is safe for them to travel. So to do this, I need a team of app developers and web developers. So let's rock this weekend.
Let's do it. Yeah, thank you. Next is Manisha Hussain. Yes, Monisha, you are good to go.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are. Sorry, you have lost the connection. Let's move to the next. You can request again, no issues. Siddharth Mantri.
Hello.
Yes, Siddharth.
Oh, you can hear me. Okay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Siddharth Mantri. Are you fascinated by a game like Ludo King, which has millions of downloads? What he did was to make an indoor game digital. So I'm giving the same upgradation to the playing cards by making it digital. Hence, I named it Deck. It's a simple deck of cards where you can preset your own home rules and play virtually with anyone around the world. There are many existing card games with fixed rules which can't be customized, like Teen Patti, Rummy, Poker, which has millions of downloads. But with Deck, you can customize and play any type of card game you used to play with your friends and family chit-chatting via Discord. For this, I need a team which is apt in making mobile games. Looking forward to work with similar minds. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. We have next is Abantika Thapa. Abantika, I have tried to provide you a mic access. Currently, we are there is a question by Kritish Chandrasekhar. We are currently doing the 1 minute pitches. Yes, Abantika, please. Yeah. It is fine. It is fine, Harsha. You will get time to talk to people again. No issues. Sahilja, you are done with the pitch once, right? Team, can you check Sahil is done with the pitch once? Okay, not done. No issues. Sorry. Sahil, you have the mic access now. If you want to pitch, anyone wants to pitch, just raise your hand. You're good to go. Sahil, you're not able to join the stage. Okay, let me try with Shaurya. Shaurya?
Yeah.
You're done with the pitch, right?
No, this is my first time.
Yes?
Yeah, this is my first time.
Sorry, go again.
This is my first time.
Okay, no problem. Please
Yeah.
go ahead.
Hi, my name is Shaurya, and the problem I want to solve is the financial crisis of middle class, poor class families of India. And the way I am going to conquer it by the weapon of compounding, and it will be connected to share market. So my idea is basically like I will provide a robot trading app or software which will generate a minimum 4% return daily, of which 1% is consumed by a company as a commission and 3% will directly reach to customers. By this thing, by investing just a small amount of 5,000, a person can get a whopping amount of 24 crores by the end of the year. So let's make India the next economic superpower by this. And my idea of the name of my idea is Anant Money. Thanks.
Thank you. Ansu Prasad is next. Ansu, you're not able to be connected. Not able to have you on there. I'm not sure. Is that an internet issue or something else? Sambhav Sirohi. Okay. Shaurya Jain.
Good morning. Can you tell me, am I audible?
Go again, Shaurya, please.
Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hey, my name is Shaurya Jain. I'm a high school student. My idea's name is Infoploy. The problem I want to solve is high school students are not being high school students are too confused about what they really want to do in their life, what career path they want to choose, what fields they want to go in. We will help students to address this problem by helping them to gain knowledge through real-life work experience. We'll push the students into companies, basically startups, where they can see the environment which they want to work in future, develop their skills, acquire knowledge according to that environment, and finally find it if they are passionate about it or not. choosing their career path at this age is very important, as it will give a 6 to 8 year boost from people who are choosing their career path after their college. For this, I need a team of web developers, a high marketing team, and all these startups that are in this platform to help students achieve what they uh, to help students address their career paths.
Thank you so much, Shaurya. Shaurya, thank you so much. Ananya is next.
Hi,
Yes,
I'm
Ananya.
audible? I'm Ananya, a college student, and my idea is Conservas.
Yeah, can you repeat, please?
Hi, I'm Ananya. My idea is Conservas, and the problem it is solving is about energy conservation and its wastage. So, as human beings, we produce a lot of kinetic energy, which is being wasted. So, I would like to conserve that in a form so that we could use it later. So, every kinetic energy which is produced by humans can be converted to electrical energy. So, we can use conservers through inverters, and we can actually use it in gyms. We can use it in tiles. We can use it every place where kinetic energy is being dispersed. So basically, my idea is to conserve the kinetic energy produced by humans and convert it to electrical energy. It can be used in cycles, gym cycles. It can be used in metro stations, the tiles we walk on. It can even be used for shoes, but for shoes, it'll be a very technical uh, issue.
Okay.
Yeah,
Makes sense. Thank you so much.
thank you.
We have Agrim Jain next.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Agrim. Hello. The problem I want to solve is corruption and bad behavior in organizations and a group of people like in army or some other
Agrim, can
group
you
of
go
people.
again? Now your voice is good. Can you go again?
Yeah, hello. Yeah, hi, I'm Agrim. The problem I want to solve is corruption and bad behavior in a group of people or a company or an organization. Hello.
Yeah, please continue.
Yeah, and the name of my startup is Ghostbox. It's an anonymous complaint system which is scalable to any organization, city, country, or any other department, meaning a group of people mainly. Its main focus is on to improving efficiency and reducing bad behavior in a group of people, organization, or a country, city, anything. I will need a team of developers or web developers or app developers and marketers. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Agrim. Sahil Jha. Sahil, I'm not able to have you on the screen. Is it the internet again? Yeah, I am. You are on the screen now. I'll wait for a couple of more minutes if there is an internet issue. Yeah, sure. Or Team Inspiria, what we can do is, Sahil, if you can hear me, just type in yes in the chat. Yeah, okay. So what you do is you just write your idea in here. It's totally fine. Sahil, you can write your idea in here. I'm not able to have you, maybe a lag of internet or something. We'll be considering it. Team Inspiria, please take a note of this. Thank you. Ansu Prasad. Ansu, if you are having the same issue, you can also write your idea in the chat. We'll be more than happy to consider it. Thank you so much. Sambhav Sirohi. Sambhav Sirohi. Muskan Maheshwari. Sambhav, you are not audible. You have to raise your hand again. Muskan Maheshwari. Prachurya Roy. I gave you the mic access, but it was not able to connect. Muskan, you can ask again. Yes, Prachurya, you can start.
Yeah, good evening. Hello, am I audible?
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. I am Prachurya Rai, and the problem I want to solve is
Sorry, your voice is breaking a lot. Can you go again?
yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, I am Prachurya Rai, and the problem which I want to solve is the missing link between the future of work and education. That is, how can we how can we make learning a work means learning and working interconvertible, like you can see today that due to high rise of automation, the education which we have got is becoming obsolete day by day. So my solution is, can we make people learn day by day and use the learning in the working process, and thereby measuring their adaptation to the environment, so that they can face the future challenges of automation and industrialization 4.0. And for this to happen, I want I want coders, so that we can develop the algorithms uh, which we can use to face this futuristic problem in the present day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Akash Ganjal. Akash not able to connect with you as well. Parikshit Sabnis. Yeah, Parikshit.
Yeah, am I audible? Hello?
Parikshit, you are on the screen.
Yeah, am I audible?
Now you are.
Yeah, okay. So, hi, I'm Parikshit. So, here I start. Self protection from always has been a vital need. So, here are we, how will work. For the women who step outside the houses and face the situation in which they indeed has a need of self protection, the Aspart is a rape preventive device that we intend to develop, which shall fit under every possible footwear that offers a key benefit of self protection with minimum physical efforts. With the help of electronics technology, and unlike the other available devices in the market, it produces the instant protection assistance by alarming to the nearest police station and family members in the times of threat. So let's make a step towards making India a safer place to live. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you so much. We have next in as Dipesh Solanki. Dipesh Solanki, you can connect if possible. Not able to connect. Tirth Vora. Sorry, Piyanshi Khetawat is there. Piyanshi Khetawat not able to. Monisha Hussain. Okay. Yes, Monisha, you're not able to connect again. Can you request access again? What I'll do is I'll Monisha, if you can hear me, just request access again. Thank you. Yeah, we have most. Okay, Monisha is here. I think it's the connection issue. Monisha, if possible, can you just write it down in the chat section, your idea? Thank you so much. Muskan Maheshwari. Muskan, I have given you the mic access, if you can access it. Okay. Viraj Shah.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Viraj, you're on the screen.
Yes, sir. Am I audible? Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Now you are. Thank you.
Okay. Hello, people. I am Viraj Shah, and my idea is to create a meat that smells, sights, sounds, sizzles, and tastes similar exactly to meat, but made out of plants and not animals, via my company called Green Meat. My company name is Green Meat. Problem our company is solving, is to create a meat substitute for vegans, vegetarians, and non-vegetarians. This idea also solves human health issue occurring while eating bad or low quality meats, like किसी ने अभी बैट खा लिया था और पूरी दुनिया डूब गई थी, like that. And along with this, our company will also solve problem of climate change, depletion of natural resources, and animal welfare. I'll need a team of website designers, developers, marketing experts, and bioengineered scientists. Thank you, and let us rock this weekend.
Perfect. Thank you so much. We have Akash Ganjal next. Akash, if you can speak. Akash, you can type in your idea in the chat. I'll give access to Abantika Thapa. Abantika, I have given you the mic access, if you can check. I'm not able to get you on the stage. Okay. Let's see who can be next. Yes, Pianchi, can you speak something out here?
Hello,
Pianchi?
am I audible, sir? Hello.
Yes, we can hear you now.
Hi, I am Kanshi Khetawat. I want to solve the problem we face in money management and maintaining records. My solution is Ledger, Know Your Money. Now, you must have heard about many money tracking apps, but is it really tracking your money? Ledger is the ultimate money tracking app, your money repository. An app which will tell you about all the credits and debits made in any form, or be it an account or cash, which will also allow you to add numerous numbers of accounts which will inform you about total money you have in your hands. You just have to categorize credit and debit statements for accounts and make cash entries, and voila, your reports will be arranged. Talking about reports, you can add numerous number of reports and numerous categories can be made under any report. You can download it in PDF form. Now, what is a product? What fun is a product without complimentary? So this app also set money reminders for you. You just have to enter the amount of money and heading, which is optional. Isn't it amazing? Let's say adios to this heavy ledger books and not worry about whereabouts of your money and maintaining records.
Thank you so much, Priyanshi.
Thank you.
Ansu Prasad, I'm giving you the access. Already you have the idea, put it in the chat, so it's totally fine. Love to consider it. Guys, I'm putting in last 5 minutes. I would request everyone who is not able to get the mic access, put your idea in the chat. So we'll consider it. That's totally fine for us. There may be internet connection issues from either side or server. But yeah, I'll try my best to give you out the mic. Yes, Abantika, we were able to hear you, but now we are again off the stage. Your connection is not stable in here. Okay. We'll be having last 10 minutes for the same exercise. Avantika, if you can put it out in the chat, it would be great. Muskan Maheshwari, we can give it one more try. Yes, Muskan.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, but it's very low. Can you just put your microphone near?
Yes. Hi, I'm Muskan. I'm going to deliver a short information about my business plan, which is an app that is Sukart, related to 3D gifts and objects. About my business plan, I'm going to make an app which uses pictures of a person's feet to create 3D shoes that are customized to exactly fit that person's feet. After a customer uses the app to upload photos of his or her feet and pick a design for his or her shoes, that is Sukart will print the pair and ships it within 7 days without any delay. Some of my competitors like Brahma 3, J Group Robotics and so on offers 3D printing product in India. Well, that's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Muskan. Okay, Tirth Vora. Tirth, you would have to put your idea in the chat. I'm really sorry about that because it's not connecting. Saurav Gupta. Saurav Gupta, I have given you access to the mic. Akash Ganjal. Akash, I have already accepted your request, but it's not connecting. Sorry. Can you just provide your idea into the chat? Ansu, I have already given you the mic access. I am giving the requests like the raising hand requests one by one. There are around 7 more requests with me, so it would take time one by one. Ansu Prasad, I have given you the access of the mic. So yeah, please check it out. Saurav Gupta. Okay. Rahmatul Bari. Manav Madhwani, I have given you mic access. There would be a pop-up. Abhilasha Rathi. Yes. You are on the stage. Yes, Abhilasha.
Am I audible?
Abhilasha, you can speak. You are live. Yes.
Hi, I am Abhilasha. My idea is Workify. So the problem I want to solve is to create spaces for freelancers, small businesses, entrepreneurs, startups with creative mindsets to create a shared working environment where the individuals can work on individual projects yet collaborate with the like-minded people inside the working facility. This will help a growing number of startups that are being boosted in recent times in small cities to overcome through distractions, noise, lack of privacy and space, insufficient equipment, as most of the early startups, freelancers, entrepreneurs are unsure about the success of their company and have inadequate funds, due to which they face the problem of inability to personalize workplace. So we would be providing them with the workspace according to their requirement. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, we have a lot of requests coming in. Dipesh Solanki, I have tried to again connect to you for the mic. Mana, we are not able, the connection is not showing as stable for you. That is the reason I am not I have accepted your mic request, but not able. Okay, Rahmatul Bari, again, I have given you the access. Can you check, please? Guys, we would be having last 3 minutes. Then you can, I would be okay with typing. So Suman Sahu, you are on the stage now.
My name is Suman Sahu,
Suman?
founder and CEO of.
Yes.
Hello, may I audible?
Can you put microphone a little bit nearer to you? Suman?
My name is Suman Sahu, founder and CEO of AirHill. AirHill is a cloud-based software company that try to make a network and ecosystem for automobile service and repair or maintenance. We offer our service anytime, anywhere, with a affordable price. If you have any bike or car, you better know how much effort to maintain it. If ever vehicle gets crashed or any problem and you want to repair it, to know you know how difficult to find a authorized, genuine, and affordable service center. In this
Thank
way,
you.
you
Time's up. Sunil. Thank you. I'm giving one more chance to all the people who have raised hands. I'm giving one more chance in here, Anju Prasad, if you can, if it's able to connect. Ajish K. Anthony.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, you are good. Please go ahead.
Hi, I am Ajesh K. Anthony. The problem I want to address is people still want low-cost business support throughout and especially when they are desperate in the inner or rural areas. My solution, a continuing business counseling service from pre-concept stage till break-even, looking for marketers, business analysts, and counselors. Thank you.
Sure. Next we have Saurav Gupta. Saurav Gupta, again, you are not able to connect. Super sorry, man. Akash Ganjal. Manav Madhwani, I have again tried to give you access. Yeah, you are there now.
Oh, yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes.
Great, great. Okay. Hello everyone. This is Manav Madhwani, an 18-year-old boy currently studying in 12th.
Sorry,
Yes, sir.
your connection is lagging.
I'll turn off my video. Am I audible now, sir? Is it okay
Yeah,
now?
you are perfectly audible. Thank you so much.
Okay, great. This is Manav Madhwani, an 18-year-old boy who claims to be India's youngest digital marketer with 7+ Google qualifications in digital marketing and a startup that develops a digital marketing tool affordable for all kind of businesses and individuals. Now, I know a lot of things now, and I'm still learning more and more. I handle clients globally, but I still don't know how to iron my clothes. I still don't know how to cut the vegetables. I still don't know how to, fix the flush which is not working in my bathroom. Now, I don't know all of this, but still I have, and a lot of kids like me have opportunities, have millions of opportunities and exposures to different things through the internet. But what about these basic life skills? The COVID situation made us realize how important it is to know all of this, be it as basic plumbing problems or basic electric services. My startup, the Atmanirbhar Youth, yes, you heard it right, the Atmanirbhar Youth will cater to these problems. We as a startup will provide educational services. We'll collaborate with schools and colleges, basically mainly schools targeting high school students, and we'll teach them basic, be it plumbing problems, electricity services, household management and maintenance, cooking services, basic mechanics, all of this at a very beginner's level, so that we know when we are in trouble we can do something about it, and we don't have to rely on anyone else. So this is what it is. Now, who will teach all of these skills? Those Dobi wali Didi, or those electrician bhaiya, or those plumbing wali bhaiya, these will be our teachers. Now, we'll be providing both courses, both offline and online. Schools can choose to get their students online or our portal on our website and our application. We'll create accounts for them and provide them courses. But if a school wants...
Your time's up. Manav.
Okay, great. So this was Atmanirbhar Youth. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's see if we're able to connect the next person. Just look out on your desktop for a notification. No, not able to connect in here. Shivam Shukla. Yeah. Shivam, you can speak now. Shivam. Shivam Shukla, can you hear me? Good. We have Tirth Vora. Not able to connect. Sahaj Singh Sachdeva. Yeah, connected. Sahaj, if you want to speak.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Bring your microphone a little bit closer, please.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes. Continue.
Hi everyone. My name is Sahaj. So for anything to transform India, we need to look at agriculture. Actually, agriculture is 16% of our GDP. 12 crore farmers are directly engaged in agriculture. In fact, India has the second highest amount of land under agriculture in the world. But in all these numbers, there is one number, 23. 23 is a number of farmers who kill themselves every single day in this country. Every single day. Reason that they don't have farming equipment to make these happen. Even if they own land, the land is too small. The main problem is they are not getting the MSP declared by the government. Like MSP, I hope you guys know the price which is decided by the government to get their to sell their crops. So my idea is about FC Mart. It's a company to join farmers directly with the customers. Purchasing their crop at, we will purchase their crop at MSP. We will tell them some techniques to how they can grow their agriculture. Also, few features like we will be tracking their transactions, like when the crop is getting cultivation, when the crop is getting harvesting, and till the time they are reaching to customers. We will provide all these details to the customers by scanning a barcode. So I need mobile application developers for my startup.
Makes sense. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, good to go. We'll take couple of more and then we're good to go then.
Hello. Hello, am I audible?
Rahmatul, yes, now you are. Thank you so much. Please.
Okay, so hi, I'm Rahmatul Bari. The problem I would like to solve is poor nutrition, which is otherwise called as malnutrition. India is one of the most malnourished country, and one of the major reason for malnutrition is the low quality of our food intake. So in an attempt to solve this nutrition deficiency and to feed people nutritious food by a more easier and productive manner, I'm bringing up an online app platform called Green Home, which connects different licensed, chemical-free, pesticide-free, organic startups and stores in a single platform. This will help people to purchase organic food groups like fruits, veggies, rice, dairy, and non-dairy products. This is the major baseline of my idea. And to do this, I'm looking for UI UX designer, app developer, and marketers. If you are one, then let's make up a team and add some new facet to malnutrition. And of course, thrive to save the country out of the malnutrition. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So I guess we just have a couple of more raised hands. Okay. Ansu Prasad now can speak. Sorry, it's not there online. Anju Sai Iswari.
Yeah. Hi, I'm
Yeah,
Anju.
please.
The problem I want to solve is financial indiscipline. My solution is called Aware. This is basically an app where that will help you calculate the financial commitments that you want to sign up for. So for instance, if you want to buy the latest new phone and you're trying to opt for a monthly installment and you're buying the phone, if you input the details in our app, it will tell you exactly how much of a financial commitment you're going to make. This can be used for different cases as well. For instance, if you're going to sign up for an education loan, you're never really aware of how much money you're actually going to spend. Same goes for a housing loan. So if you just input your details in the app, it will tell you exactly how much of a financial commitment you're going to make. So such that you make an aware decision whenever you're going to commit to a large financial issue. So in order to do this, we'll need a team that has thinkers, financial people, developers, and data architects in order to handle the data. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anand.